Welcome back, and today I am going to be making a recipe with leftover chicken. So I had cooked some chickens up into pieces of chickens for dinner, and then out of the leftovers I made bone broth, and now I am making some leftovers out of the leftover chicken. Instead of having it just as like hot chicken sandwiches or something, we're gonna be making this recipe that I found today, and I'm gonna do it with you. And it's in this really amazing cookbook that I absolutely love. I'll show you it, and we're gonna do it together. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said, I had a whole bunch of leftover chicken on a plate that my husband just took off the bone, and I was like, I want to do something with it. So I got out this recipe book that I have. This is the metabolism reset plan that I followed over the last 2 years, and I've lost 100 pounds. But I just got this is the new cookbook, and I found a recipe in here, and it's called chicken nuggets. So we're gonna make these chicken nuggets together. It says kid approved. Obviously most kids love chicken nuggets, but we're gonna make it from the leftover chicken that I have, and we also raised this chicken, which is cool. So it calls for 2 cups of shredded chicken breast, and it says open and drain the canned chicken. So it's referring to using canned chicken, but shredded chicken in any sort. So we're gonna use this, and we're gonna make this. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go ahead and get started on making this recipe. Okay, so in my mixer here, I just cut up all the chicken in really small pieces, and then I put it in here, and I just turn it on like this, and it shreds it down even more, so it's fine. So I'm gonna double the recipe because I have about 4 cups. Well, let's see. Let's measure it. Yeah, so we're gonna double the recipe because I have a little bit short of 4 cups of chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and double the recipe, but this is what the recipe is. And it's 2 cups of shredded chicken breast, 1 egg, a 1/3 cup of shredded mozzarella, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, and then your preferred seasoning. So you can try garlic powder and black pepper if you want. And then that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the ingredients out here. We'll mix it into here, and then we'll form our nuggets, put them on a cooking sheet, and we'll bake them. So let's go ahead and get the ingredients, and then we'll mix it all together. Okay, so I went ahead here and I grated about a cup of mozzarella cheese. Now I did that because I don't have Parmesan, so I just did a little extra of the mozzarella in substitute of that. And then I've got my 2 eggs, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then I'm gonna, once I get half of the mixture out made into nuggets, I'm gonna then add in this honey cured heat. Oh my goodness, this is the best. It's like sweet, but it's got the heat. It's like southern, like, oh, it's so good. And I think this would be so good as a chicken nugget. So I'm gonna add that in once we get it out, because it's got a little bit of a heat, and I don't know if my daughter would like that. So I'm gonna add this all in. We'll give it a mix. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll form them into nuggets, and we'll put them in the oven. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we go. We've got it all in. Now I'm just gonna drop it down, and you can do this without a stand mixer too, but if you got one, you might as well use it. So you're just gonna have it all mix itself up. Okay, and there we go. The that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and form some nuggets. Okay, so I've done about half of the nuggets. Now I'm going to add in this spice here. Alright, I'm gonna put the paddle back on, mix this up, and then make the rest onto here out of these, and then I'll show you once they're done. Okay, so we have them all made here, all on the cookie sheet. Now the recipe for 2 cups, like just one recipe, so this is a doubled recipe, says that it makes 12 small bite-sized nuggets. 3, 6, 9, 12. So I've got 18 small ones. So this here, these here, that's 12 of what it should make, but I guess that is the size, so I don't know. Anyways, that's a double batch. I made the ones with the honey cured heat a little bit bigger, you can see. I'm gonna turn my camera around so you can see it better too. But that's a double batch, and that's it. They're ready to go into the oven. So before I started shaping these, I preheated the oven to 425. Now, when the oven is preheated, we are going to bake them for 18 to 22 minutes, flipping them halfway through. So I'm gonna turn it around, give you a peek at what they look like, and then we're gonna put them in. I'm gonna set a timer for about 8, 9, 10, probably about 9 minutes. Check it, because that's halfway mark. And then if they need flipped, I'll flip them at 9 minutes, set the timer for another 9 minutes. So I'm gonna show you what they look like, and then we're gonna wait for the oven to be preheated, and we'll put them in. Okay, so here they are. That's what they look like. So this half is just with the garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and then the honey cured heat I put in these ones here. So this is the recipe. I'll give you a peek at it. And this recipe book, you guys, oh my goodness, it's hard. It's like a hard, what do you call it, a hard shell. And it, oh my gosh, and these right here, I've made these. I think I have a YouTube video on them. These cheeseburger dippers, they are incredible. But anyways, here they are, they're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get them in the oven when they're ready to go in. Okay, and there we go. Your chicken nuggets. Perfect. I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit, and then we'll give them a try. Okay, so here they are. Super good. I'll show you the recipe once again. So this side is just the regular, this side has got a little bit of heat to it, so your spicy nugget and then your regular. And they look amazing, and for the texture, they're very hot, but they're very, they're not hard, they're very, they're nugget, they're like just like a nugget. Let me cut one open with you and we'll see. Okay, so let me cut this nugget open. Whew, that's hot. That's what it looks like. It looks like a normal chicken nugget. Mmm, they smell so good too. Yeah, so there you go. That is what the inside of the nugget looked like, just like a normal nugget. Mmm, very, very good too. So it says to enjoy with your favorite dipping sauce. It can be with this meal plan or whatever sauce you want. Well, that is very, very good. So give it a try. It's literally 2 ingredients. So your egg, your cheese, and your chicken. And this is just leftover chicken that we had in the fridge from a couple nights ago from dinner that I used, which is perfect. And I really love it. So I'm gonna get them ready. So I'm gonna get a couple sauces, and my daughter and my husband and I are gonna have some lunch together. And yeah, I'm super excited how these turned out because I've never tried them yet. So give them a try for yourself. Let me know if you do down below in the comments how they turn out and how they are. And as always, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for following along and watching all the things that I do. Love and appreciate every single one of you. Like this video, ring that bell, subscribe so you never miss one. And I'll see you guys back here next time. We're gonna go enjoy some lunch. See you guys later. Bye.